Right now, the ground under you is moving, and you don't even feel it. Do you know why? The Earth isn't one solid rock. It's made of giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but sometimes they get stuck. Pressure builds. Then suddenly, slip! That sudden release of energy causes an earthquake! The shaking you feel? That's energy traveling through the ground as waves. And if this happens under the ocean, it can cause a tsunami.
Interesting, right? Want to learn more about earthquakes? With fun quiz, cool fun facts, and much more. Do watch it on our channel, Kids Wonder Workshop. See you there!